think it's been a spectacular journey. As you know, BSE is the oldest stock exchange in India. Over 140 years it has kept up with the times, and now to a point where it is the largest stock exchange in the world. It has got a market cap of more than $1.6 trillion, and that just tells us that on this journey, BSE has continued to make sure that it has kept abreast of the latest technology trends, of the latest evolution in the capital markets, and it has made sure that it is as relevant today as it was on the day that it was founded 140 years ago. The BSE has become, or the Bombay Stock Exchange has become, a symbol of Indian capitalism, right? So beyond the actual value that it is generating, I think it is also the perception value that it also represents. That it is the bastion of value creation, that it is the repository of a lot of wealth that people have created. So I think there are many issues of BSE which go beyond just the money that has been created by people over there. But I think what it represents also is the fact that every Indian entrepreneur has the desire, has the looks forward to get their company listed, and what better place to list than the Bombay Stock Exchange. And therefore, in some senses, it has become, the aspirational goal for a lot of entrepreneurs as well. It has provided a forum before so many other exchanges showed up for people to list their companies, to raise capital, to hedge their investments, because as we know, the BSE is also a huge exchange for derivatives. So it provides not just capital raising, but also capital protection mechanisms. So I think in all of those mechanisms, it has been extremely aspirational for a lot of Indian capital markets players as well as entrepreneurs. I think just the data speaks for itself. The fact that the BSE has been or is now one of the largest exchanges where derivatives are traded, that is not possible without a very strong technology platform. So I think it is very clear to me from all the data that I've seen and all the people that I've spoken to, that the BSE represents the latest and cutting edge in technology that allows all of these instruments to be traded on the exchange. The message I have for the investors is that the Indian capital markets are a great place to invest in. I think we are just seeing the beginning of a very strong long-term bull market in Indian stocks, and I think it's a very important way in which investors can play and participate in the growth of the Indian economy. And I think the Bombay Stock Exchange, being an avenue to channelize those funds, I think is poised to play a great role in that area.